Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to record our screen with our media sound and microphone sound included in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. First we need to open settings. Then in settings we need to go to advanced features, and here we have screenshots and screen recordings options. Then in screen recording section, as you can see here under record sound, we have now media selected. So we want our to record our media plus our microphone sound. So we need to change it to this option right here. And as you can see, now our screen recorder will register media on our phone and our microphone. That's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.